Wild Rose Haven.
Welcome, people. It is Mother's Day at Wild Rose Haven, and Mrs. Rose was about to sit down and relax on the couch with bonbons, legs up, watching those girly movies. But no, as usual, some maintenance on the livestock is required.
Yes.
Of which she is the expert. So, Mrs., what are we doing today?
So today we have an issue with a little bit of bumblefoot, I'm pretty sure. And so what we're going to do is that I'm going to show you guys how I make a boot for the bumblefoot, because that's what usually helps it heal really, really fast. It just gets really irritated and it's not really a big deal. Yeah, that's what it is right there. So it's just like a callus forms on their foot where they get a little bit of an owie, and then the owie gets slightly infected, and that's what causes the bumblefoot. So if you put a boot on it, then it will help protect the bumble or the infected area while it's healing, and then they'll be able to walk on it much better. Right now she's doing a little bit of a limp. Not as bad, but it's getting better. And there we go. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and clean it off, treat the bumblefoot area, and then I'll come right back and I'll show you guys how I make the boot. All right, so now that I've gone ahead and I got her all cleaned up, her foot's all nice and clean, has been treated, now all I gotta do is just make this boot. So to make the boot, I use vet tape. And there are boots out there that you can buy, which I thought at first it was a joke, but it's a real deal. It's a real thing. So, and it's great for the times whenever they injured the bottom of their feet or they have a foot injury. So I didn't have a boot. I didn't have any way of being able to find a boot really. So I went ahead and I just tried to figure out a way to make one. And what I do is I take my vet tape, and you can either use a 4-inch or 3-inch wide vet tape for the foot area. And I'm using a 4-inch right now. And all I'm gonna do is, and I need to kind of work fast because it is really sticky out here right now. All right, so I want to get a good amount like this. Rip it off. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, babe. Come on, we gotta make your boot. Then you'll feel better. You can walk around, okay? And the thing with when you're making the boot is that you have to make sure that you can spread their feet apart. And you have to get this little claw bit, if they have a bit of a claw like that. Make sure it's under the claw, like so. And then you want to, oh, stay still. You want to spread open their foot. And depending on the tape that you have, some tapes are a lot stickier than others. This one's one I found on Amazon. It's all right. I had stickier tape, but for the deal that I was able to find, I can't really complain. So there you go. So you want to make sure here on this part where it gets closer to the ankle area, you want to make that bit a little bit tighter or snugger up here as you can without making, so kind of like a funnel in a way, okay? Just like that. And then you'll see what I'll do in a second. All right, now you have to make sure that you open up their foot while making this boot. You got to open up the web like this. Okay, hold on. And keep it separated. Right now it's going to be time for me to add another section. And the more you add, it's good. And the reason why you want to do this is because when they put their foot down, it'll automatically keep their foot spread. It'll keep it spread apart for them. Because with the vet tape, this is the difference when you, instead of having the actual boot, the boot is actually hard and it's like a shoe that stays open for them automatically. So you're going to have to be able to create that sort of now I know I did this before. It might be working better with the 3-inch instead of the 4-inch because I can do a better wrap on it, but we're gonna try this. This is the first time I'm showing you how I did it. I just figured it out. So it is possible with vet tape. I'm gonna show you how. It's a little bit of a maneuvering thing, but, and it doesn't matter if you actually have a little bit more padding. You want to have that padding on there because, no, oh, good girl. I know it's warm, I know. You're doing so good. I know. But you want to have that padding on there so that way they can put their foot down and it'll protect the sore bit that they're limping on. Okay, come on. Ow! No, don't bite. Don't bite. I'm trying to fix it. Don't bite. Thank you. Okay, so, nope. What we're gonna do now is that we're just gonna take this bit here and we're gonna wrap it over the top like so. Oh, like so. Like so. I'll get this. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect as far as getting it to form the shoe bit. You just need to make sure that, one, you don't bend their toes, and that we can get the web part open. And this could be for you guys that, you know, if you're just in a pinch and you can't find a shoe in your local area, you have that tape available at the time, then you can go ahead and you can make this. Make sure that if you do this though, you don't bend their toe either. So you just got to do it loose enough, and you'll figure it out once you do it more often, like I'm doing right now. I'm figuring it out. Okay. All right, so now we kind of got it. We're starting to form it, getting the base of it, and you have to make sure you keep the foot open like that. Really important. Oh, this is the 3-inch. Here's the other one. I probably should have just done this in the beginning. All right, so now we kind of have it formed. Here we go. That probably is what we should have done to begin with, right, people? Oh my Lord, sometimes. Like, what do you do with her, right? Okay. Okay, I'm trying to be careful. I know. All right, so what I plan on doing here, hold on, I know we're getting warm. I'm going as fast as I can. You want to wrap this bit like that around here. All right. Okay, hold on. You're doing really good. What a good girl. What a good girl. Thank you. Yes, I know. We're almost done. We're almost done. Nope, not yet. Okay. So as you can see, we're getting the gist of it here. And you can fold this in like so. And nope, put your wing in. You guys, we're gonna show them what it looks like. Hold on. We're almost done. We are almost done. Fold that in like so. And you want to make sure that right in between their toes, you pinch that tape in, because you want to keep it apart. You want to keep their foot open like that. All right, okay, now the last, ow! I'm almost done. I'm not trying to hurt you. Okay. No, I know it's hot. Stop, stop, stop. Come on, come on. We're almost there. Nope. We're almost done. We're almost done. Good girl. Almost done. One last thing. Okay, so to help secure it on, then you take a smaller bit of that tape. It makes it easier if you have the measure part. This is out a 1 inch. A 1 inch tape. And you just want to anchor this down. And you're going to have to do this if you get the duck boot anyway. They suggest that you do the same thing with the duck boot. Is that you want, ow! Is that you want to be able to, Happy Mother's Day to you too. Okay, that you want to be able to make sure you keep the boot anchored on. So they tell you to tape it on like this. So we're gonna take this top section here. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Almost done. Almost done. I know you're getting hot. I know because I'm getting hot with you. Okay. And this is the part you want to just make sure it's secure on there on the top. Like that. And it'll have enough give in it. So don't, you know. At this stage, she's also fully grown, so it shouldn't be a big problem as far as it being too tight on her. Just make sure it's snug and that you can lift it like that. And that should be good. And if it's a good enough tape, by the way, then I've been able to see them go into the water with this as well and without it falling off. And if so, then you know what? You have more and you can make another one. All right, we're gonna do one more little wrap and then she's out of here. We're done. Right? Yes, that's right. So I just wanna wrap it down around the bottom here. Underneath, back over, and back up. And this is really fast because we are getting hot. And then that's it. And that should hold it on there. Now you can put another piece of tape down here if you want, if you have time and you're not getting hot and sweaty like we are. And then she's a good to go. And that is how you make a duck boot. This is a duck in boot. Oh. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and I hope this helps you in case you have this sort of emergency. To all you YouTubers out there, we hope you have a happy Mother's Day. All right. Thank you for stopping by.